Leo the inquisitive truck, curious and upbeat. In his truck bed he brings many colored parts. Leo the inquisitive truck, he has come again to help us. With his help, now we can build a brand new car. Leo, Leo, Leo the truck. A blue car is being washed at the car wash. It's Max. And here are the robots. They're asking Skoop to dig a hole on the playground. I wonder why. They think that there's treasure buried here. Or here. Maybe here. Right here, says the red robot. Could he be right? Let's find out. Just a little more. Ah, water. A real fountain. No, this isn't treasure. Skoop accidentally broke a water pipe with his bucket. There's no more water for the car wash. Max can't finish his bath. Leo, will you help us?
Ooh.
We need to build a vehicle that will install new pipes.
Huh?
But first, we should shut off the water. This is the tap. Turn it, robot. Skoop, let's make the hole bigger so we can get the pipe out. Leo, are these the parts for a pipe-laying crane?
Huh?
The chassis. Tracks with wheels. The cabin. The operator's chair. The control lever. Doors. Lights. The arm. The grapple for the pipes. Excellent! The pipe-laying crane is ready. Look, it's removing the broken pipe. Wow! What a hole! Now we need to find a similar pipe that isn't broken. Will this pipe work? No. How about this one? Not this one either. This is the pipe we need. The pipe-laying crane puts it in place. Hooray! We did it! We need to turn on the water to make sure everything's working. Water isn't leaking from the ground anymore. Skoop, fill the hole in. How are things at the car wash? Max can finish his bath now. Thanks, Leo. Look! Leo, Lifty, and Skoop are hiding behind some rectangles. They are going to watch some new cartoons. And you? Choose quickly. Click on the rectangles. Quickly, before they disappear.